Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to access Threads or how to use the Threads application. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to launch your Instagram account. Then you need to tap on the menu icon. And as you can see underneath settings and privacy, Threads is a new option. Bearing in mind this is a new feature, so it might not be available for everyone. So you also have the option to visit the App Store or the Google Play Store to download the application. But if you wanted to take this route, you'd simply need to tap on Threads. At this point, you would get your invite. And this basically has the date when the application was launched and your name. So you'd need to tap on Get Threads and you'd be redirected to the App Store or the Google Play Store, where you'd then go ahead and download the application. Now, once the application is downloaded, you would need to log in, and you also have the options to switch between accounts. Now, at this point, you would need to then create your profile. So you have the option to create a new bio and add new links, or you could simply go ahead and import your information from Instagram. And once you are comfortable with the way your profile looks, you would simply need to go ahead and tap on next. Now at this point, you would need to edit your privacy information. So you could make your profile public or you could private your profile. So making your profile public means that anyone that uses Thread can view your content. However, when you make your profile private, only the approved followers can see your content. Now at this time, you'd be asked if you want to follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram, and you have the option to skip this prompt. So as you can see from the bottom of the screen, there are 5 icons. You have the home icon, the search, the create, your activity, and your profile. So let's view each icon. Now as you can see, this is currently the home section, and if you tap on the search, this would allow you to search for individuals that you want to follow, and it would suggest your followers from Instagram. But if you don't want to follow these same persons, you could go ahead and search for new people. And in the center of the screen, there's a create icon. So that is what you tap on to create your threads. And you have the option to select who you want to share your threads to. So you can select it to anyone, people you follow, or mentions only. And once you tap on the art icon, which is your activities, you would see all your activities on Threads. And finally, you have the option to visit your profile. So on your profile, you would see all the threads that you've posted and all your replies. You would see the amount of persons you follow and the amount of people who follow you. And that's pretty much an overview of the Threads application. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you liked this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.